Now then, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the glorious Rillington Young Farmers ploughing match held near Sherburn. In this, I did manage to get a go myself. You can just see my tractor parked up behind Donald. My brother, he was having a mucky weekend away, so he was ploughing a rig and furrow elsewhere. With much help off Tony and Andy, I managed to do quite a respectable job, really. The land wheel helped a lot, so it wasn't dipping in and out a lot. Although, as we can see from the job that Andy's doing here, I've still got a long way to go. Also, Stu Wilson has fetched his Ransom's reversible plough that he had on the back of his Nuffield, and he kindly let me have a go at Farm Hall back end of last year. He brought that to match, and we'll see how he gets on later on. Also, there's a few more local ploughing matches coming up, and I'll leave these little dates there for you to look at. As always, Rillington put an impressive spread on the catering stand with Ruth Russell running the show. From bacon sandwiches to quality bacon, you name it, was there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's better than last time I did it.
Also, Tractor Twitcher was there taking a few good pictures. He snapped up one of my lad following us behind B450, which looked real great, along with various other ones. And also Ken Pix was there taking a few good photos, and I'll leave a link to his pictures in the description. Quite a few of my friends came to come and see us having a go at ploughing for the first time with my new tractor and new plough, so I've got quite a few videos that they've taken. Alex Fern is very good at videography, and he has his own YouTube channel called Foot Forward Media, so make sure you check that out. I'll leave a link to that one.
I don't plough your number in. Yeah. How are you finding it? A bit different then? tell us what we're doing here then, James.
Measuring width, make sure we're parallel.
Right, do you do that every turn then?
Every other.
Every other, right. And how much tolerance have we got?
Millimetres.
Millimetres, oh, that's perfect, are we?
Nearest half inch.
Nearest half inch, right. This looks tidy, Andy.
Get in there. Get in there.
Wow, look how straight it is.
Some exemplary ploughing by Mr. Robert Bale, I believe. I think we're looking at a definite second, maybe first here. It's really some of the best I've seen. It really is.
What do you reckon?
Get!
What do we have going on here today?
Now then, we're at Young Farmers Plowing match. Is it Young Farmers?
Yeah, Rillington Young Farmers.
Rillington Young Farmers Plowing match. And Mr. Rob Beale here, he's soon to be world champion.
Should we go and have a quick interview? Looks
I
like
reckon
it's
we
stopped.
could go speak to him.
Yeah.
Bucky's are in favour of him today.
What do you think?
He's the man himself. How's it going, Rob?
Well, having a ball up in that corner, veering it this way a bit too much, nipping her in a bit.
Do you think it'll affect your racing championship?
Oh, hugely. Hugely, yeah. I don't think I'll qualify.
There, you ready?
It's nice to see something different, isn't it?
Aye.
That's a nice tractor behind Stu, that big Ford.
Aye.
Can't see number on it, but Rob Watson's in that.
Lovely job.
I covered another dyno day last week, last Saturday, for Pontefract Young Farmers, and there was
Does it? Oh.
Better get a bit further along, I think. Got a long field to walk.
Alright, nice to see you again.
Aye.
26 when you get stuck behind someone going uphill, it starts doing that, starts bouncing, yeah. Wants to be on.
Look at that poor lass over there. Sat in chair on her own, boyfriend's left her. It's cold. Isn't it terrible? He's sat there in a nice warm cab and that poor lass sat in chair.
I'm sure there's a seat for her, isn't there?
Yeah, must have turfed her out, got sick of her.
Hey, Rob knows how to treat him. Look, she sat in cab nice and warm.
That's it, yeah. Yeah, she must have been.
Is the room in yours for an extra stew?
No, no room in my house. Help you, I'm locked up. Sunday set.
I think wheels are digging into sand, aren't they? Look, she's ploughing circles in, crop circles. There's Chris Payne's on. Doesn't know if it was a Chinese lantern, did they, in America?
Yeah, that's all it was, wasn't it?
Oh, was that what it was?
$400,000 missile to shoot down a Chinese lantern.
Bloody hell!
That's some pressure on.
Will it make it on? Will it make it way home?
I hope so.
What were you doing? Hit a rock or something?
I don't know.
Well, you'll have to get your other wheel made quick then.
Yeah, that's the plan. I'll get back.
Oh dear, schoolboy error.
Faster.